Ready?
Yeah, man. All right, Jesse, on the day, your goal is a vital goal for the day. What do you think about the team performance today?
Well, we never did play as good at the first half, but coach tell us to keep calm and go out and press, and then that is it.
Your goal, what was going through your mind at that moment in time?
What's going through my mind? I know that the keeper is sharpy, so as you keep the ball and you try to catch it, and then running and stop it.
All right, definitely. How does it feel to know that your goal is the goal that secured the 3 points for the team?
Yes, I have to go there. It's my last year, so I have to go there and execute.
Certainly, as I said, it's the last year. What's your target for this year, since it's your last year?
To go to the second.
What's the second run? All right, what's your assessment of your performance today?
Well, I could do better. I get 2 chances, but I only score 1, so that is it.
Going from here, what aspect of your gameplay you think you need to work on just to fine-tune yourself?
Finishing.
That's the biggest part you think you work
Yes.
on. All right, Jesse, bless up here and good game.